Hello, and now I will present you the weather forecast for today. So the rain lovers will be happy, but sun lovers will be disappointed. So the whole of the city will be cloudy, and it will result in a chilly start of the day. And during the day we expect a heavy rain with thunderstorm. So it will be a great chance to spend this day at home near the fireplace with and drinking cocoa with people you like. And temperatures will be from 5 to 10 centigrade, but in the evening it will be warmer, and because of high pressure it will clean up, and you will be lucky to watch the full moon, so use it as well as you can, if you understand what I'm talking about. Goodbye, have a nice day.